So public transit plays a critical role in the Greater Victoria region, and in order to invest in public transit, we need more buses. And where we're at right now is our two transit facilities in Victoria and Langford are currently nearing capacity. So if we want to make the transit system better in Victoria, we need another transit center in order to procure more buses and add more frequency in the region. So as part of our Victoria Regional Transit Plan, we've done a ton of engagement across the region with the public, with riders, with key stakeholders and elected officials. And what we're hearing is that transit is one of the top priorities with regards to investing to make this region a variable, livable community. And in order to reach those goals with adding more service, we're going to need additional space to park our buses. We want to move people away from their personal automobiles onto the bus. And if we're able to add more buses to our region, we're able to increase service, which increases the attractiveness of using transit service. We launched our rapid bus a few years ago that connects the West Shore to the downtown, and we get over 10,000 boardings per day on that key corridor. And there's a desire to increase that rapid bus, not only the frequency between the West Shore and downtown, but to potentially introduce new rapid bus service connecting some of those key activity centers. Investing in a new transit center is very important because if we want to make the rapid bus better, we have to add more buses. And if we want to add more buses, we need places where those buses can be parked and maintained.